job. Hold it. Hold it.
Looks like she's got her hands full.
Let's put down your baby doll's food here. Let's put down. What's in here? What's in there? You put your hand in there? It's way in there. Santa Claus sure got that down in there. What's in there? What is it?
You gonna take it out, Caroline? Oh, look at that airplane.
It's a plane.
But it's a special airplane.
You say FedEx. What else is in there? Is there something else in there? Pull it out. Good job. Got it? Some bubble bath.
Yay. She's been trying to play with the soap in the bathtub.
A plane.
One more.
One more? Another one? What's in there?
Does Daddy remember? Do you?
What's in there? What's in there? A phone! Caroline got a phone!
We'll see if it's a good enough substitute.
Look at that, you got a phone!
Can you talk on the phone?
Talk on the phone. Can you talk? Say hi.